Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best kids magic kits that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best Kids Magic Kits, devised by Magic Tricks. Children, in particular, will sit for hours captivated by magicians. Luckily, our kids don't have to just watch that stuff on TV or wait for the next magic show to come to town. Number 5 Learn and Climb Jumbo Magic Kit. The kit has different activity levels, allowing your child to grow with it, from age 6 up. Main features: illustrated manual and instructional DVD included. Multiple learning levels for varying ages. High-quality materials used. Number 4 Jimstot's Ultimate Magic Cards. 4 specialty cards: Magic Svengali Deck, Wizard Stripper Deck, Phantom Mark Deck, and the Vanishing Card Case. Main features: this kit is easily portable. Instructional video accessed by an online link. Entertainment for all ages. Number 3 Jimstot's First Magic Kit is beginning to show interest in the world of magic. With simple and easy-to-learn tricks, your child will be impressing their audience in no time. Main features: easy-to-master tricks, made by a professional magician. Access to online tutorials from Jimstot himself. Number 2 Scientific Explorer Magic Science Kit, scoops, and an assortment of chemicals. Your kid will also get to create their own wizard hat, an important accessory for serious wizards. Main features: science-based magic kit. Cast spells and create concoctions. Fun for the whole family. Number 1 Melissa and Doug Classic Magic Tricks to a Disappearing Ball and Magic Number Prediction. This kit is designed to improve hand-eye coordination. Additionally, some of the tricks require a bit of thinking, so they'll stretch your child's imagination. Main features: easy-to-learn magic tricks. Comes with a cool and sturdy storage box. Quality materials used. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.